Have you ever opened yet another Excel sheet and felt your brain sigh? Tabs everywhere, columns everywhere. You're juggling requirements, comments, and deadlines, and somehow, half your day disappears before lunch. It's 2026, and you're still managing requirements in spreadsheets that feel like they belong in the 2000s. You didn't become a business analyst to copy-paste data. You became one to solve problems, improve systems, and create clarity. But instead, Excel's eating your time, and maybe even your sanity. You're not alone. Every BA has felt that spreadsheet chaos at some point. But today, we're going to fix that, together. The best business analysts don't just manage requirements, they master their workflows. And in 2026, success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, using the right tools to reclaim your time and sharpen your impact. These 7 tools I'm about to show you, they're game changers. They'll help you automate the boring stuff, cut through chaos, and give you back 10+ hours every week. So grab your coffee, silence those notifications, and let's explore the toolkit that's redefining business analysis. Meet your 2026 BA Dream Team, Miro, where ideas come to life visually. Jira, where projects finally make sense. Lucidchart, where workflows become crystal clear. Notion AI, your personal writing assistant that never sleeps. Each one of these tools removes friction, saves hours, and gives you clarity. Because when your tools work smarter, you do too. Let's unpack how. Picture this. It's Monday morning. You're in a virtual meeting with 6 stakeholders. Everyone's talking over each other. Sticky notes flying, whiteboard chaos. You leave the meeting more confused than when it started. Now, imagine opening Miro. Everyone's collaborating on one living visual board. You're mapping journeys, adding ideas, seeing patterns form in real time. No more screenshot madness. No more who said what. Miro turns brainstorming into brilliance. With infinite canvas, real-time collaboration, and ready-made BA templates that save you hours. It's not just a tool, it's your creative playground. Next up, Jira and Lucidchart, 2 tools that every modern BA swears by. Let's talk about Jira first. You know that feeling when requirements scatter across emails, Excel tabs, and Slack threads? Yeah, it's chaos. Jira ends that. It organizes everything: requirements, stories, sprints, all in one place. Your developers stay aligned, your stakeholders stay updated, you stay sane. Now, Lucidchart, this is your visual storytelling tool. Need to explain a complex workflow to non-technical folks? Don't say it. Show it. In seconds, you can create clean flowcharts, ERDs, or system diagrams that make even the most complex processes crystal clear. Lucidchart turns confusion into comprehension. Welcome to the future of business analysis, where AI works with you, not against you. Let's start with Notion AI. It takes messy meeting notes and instantly transforms them into structured professional documents. Then there's ChatGPT, your personal writing assistant. It drafts user stories, business cases, or reports, all while you sip your coffee. And finally, Power BI. It turns raw data into interactive dashboards that speak for themselves. Together, these tools make you faster, smarter, and way more valuable. Because when AI handles the busy work, you get to focus on what really matters: solving problems, influencing strategy, and making impact. Now, let's talk about one of my favorites, Whimsical. If Miro is your brainstorming studio, Whimsical is your creative lab. It lets you design flowcharts, wireframes, and mind maps all in one place, beautifully and effortlessly. It's perfect for those early, let's figure it out sessions, where speed matters more than perfection. BAs love Whimsical because it's fast, simple, and yes, fun. You'll spend less time fighting the tool, and more time crafting brilliant solutions. Let's compare. The old way, you spend hours in spreadsheet hell, email chains never end, version chaos, manual updates, repetitive documentation. By the time you finish, you're exhausted, and your real analysis hasn't even started. Now imagine the smart way: automated workflows, real-time collaboration, AI-powered insights, seamless integrations that talk to each other. That's what the modern BA workflow looks like, and it's saving professionals 10+ hours a week. So the question is, are you still managing chaos, or are you mastering it? Now that you've seen the tools, here's the truth. Mastering tools is powerful, but mastering business analysis, that's what takes your career to the next level. If you're serious about growing as a BA, I've got something incredible for you. You can watch the complete CBAP Certification Training 2025, absolutely free, right here on this channel. This course walks you through everything: BABOK 3 concepts, real-life case studies, and the practical skills you need to become a certified business analyst and stand out in 2026. You'll find the full course playlist link right below in the video description. Go check it out and start your journey today. And hey, if this video helped you, do me a quick favor: hit that like button, subscribe for more free BA training, and share this video with someone who's still stuck in Excel hell. Together, let's build a smarter, more efficient, and truly impactful BA community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the free CBA course.